Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'll be showing you guys how I steam and deep condition my hair. I'll be showing you guys how I go from really dry 2-week-old hair to really soft and moisturized hair. Alright guys, so my hair is about 2, maybe even 3 weeks old. It is in dire need of deep conditioning, like a really good steam deep condition treatment. It is so dry, my scalp is flaking. Yeah, it's time. I've been wearing wigs like crazy, so I'm gonna go ahead and take out these 2 braids. The style that I had in before was actually a flexi rod set, which is on my channel. If you guys haven't seen it, you should definitely check it out. So let's go ahead and take down these braids. Oh my gosh, my hair is crying for moisture. You can still see that I have the texture from the flexi rod. I'm actually getting my hair done tomorrow. Just a really simple style, just some 2-strand twists that I plan to keep in for a week and a half maybe. And then I'm gonna do an actual protective style with extensions, most likely butterfly locks. So I already went ahead and shampooed my hair. You want to shampoo your hair first before using a steamer and applying your deep conditioner. You want to make sure that your hair is clean so that way your hair can absorb the steam and the deep conditioner. So for today, I'm using a facial steamer. You can go ahead and use a hair steamer if you want to, but a facial steamer works just as well. So this one that I'm using is by Vanity Planet, and I have a 50% off code for you guys, as well as a link down below. It's really easy to set up. So I'm just going ahead and steaming my hair from ends to roots, making sure I get my scalp as well. The heat from the steamer actually helps to get the blood circulating. It helps to promote hair growth. It helps to soften your hair, moisturize. It does so much. So now that my hair is all nice and warm, I'm going to go ahead and take a deep conditioner, put it into a small bowl, and then I'm going to add my favorite oil, Hibiscus Fusion. This oil helps to promote hair growth. It softens, it adds shine, it does a lot. So I'm going to add quite a few drops of that into my bowl and I'm going to mix it up. Of course, if you need to add more deep conditioner, you definitely can, which I will later on in the video. So I'm just going to be using my hands to apply the deep conditioner to my hair while having the steam on my hair. So this is helping my cuticles to raise and allowing the moisture to get into my strands. If you have high porosity hair, you don't need to steam your hair, but you can if you want to. Just know that your hair cuticles are already open. Those of us who have normal and low porosity hair, our hair loves that extra steam to help raise those cuticles. It really helps our hair to absorb product better. So I'm just taking my time and letting the steam do its work.
Be a little wilder, baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your hair down. Be a little wilder, baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your parts. Beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your parts. Beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into.
So I thought this was really interesting. I was actually feeling my hair shrinking in my hands at this scene. When I was holding my hair in my hands, it felt so weird, like feeling my hair shrink up. So that just meant that my hair was really happy. It was hydrated, it was moisturized. So steaming your hair has so many benefits, and trust me, your hair is going to love it.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
I steam my hair for about 15 to 20 minutes, and as I'm doing this, I'm making sure to part my hair so that way my scalp is also getting the steam benefits as well. And I make sure to move around so that way all of my hair gets the steam. So the ends, the roots, the back, like my nape, my edges, I want to make sure that everywhere is getting the steam.
You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like.
And this is a good time to finger detangle if you want to, if your conditioner gives you that slip. So here I'm turning around so that way my nape gets the steam. It's also the back of my head and then my crown. And I even stand up to make sure everywhere is getting steam.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find a thing.
Alright you guys, so after about 20 minutes of steaming my hair, this is what my hair looks like. My hair feels so soft and so moisturized. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out and I'll be back to show you guys what my hair looks like. Alright you guys, so this is my hair after rinsing out the deep conditioner. My hair feels really soft and I can't wait to style it. This is my hair after styling. You guys are going to be seeing a video on how I trim my hair. Stay tuned.